Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Net89 EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the features and settings provided by the developer, and then look at the historical backtest results to better understand how the EA has performed during testing. So starting with the marketplace page, Net89 EA is currently listed at $47. The developer is Vadim Velichkov, and the version displayed here is version 1.0. According to the description, this is a fully automated Forex trading advisor designed to operate without manual intervention once it has been configured and attached to a chart. The developer describes the EA as being based on a proprietary entry and exit strategy while emphasizing low risk and low drawdown trading. The marketplace page also specifically states that the robot does not use martingale, grid, or lock-in strategies. Instead, it opens trades with predefined stop loss and take profit levels and manages positions according to its built-in logic. So as I continue through the page, one of the key benefits highlighted is automation. The developer notes that the EA can monitor a large number of market quotes, perform calculations automatically, and execute trades without emotional decision making. For traders who prefer a systematic approach, that can be one of the main attractions of using an expert advisor. Now, looking at the trading requirements section, the recommended setup is quite specific. The EA is designed for a 5-digit trading account with GBPUSD listed as the recommended currency pair and the H1 time frame identified as the intended chart period. The developer also recommends an initial deposit starting from $300 when using the default settings. Moving into the settings section, several adjustable parameters are available. There is lot sizing parameter that allows trade volume to be adjusted relative to account balance. Stop loss and take profit values can also be configured directly through the settings, giving traders flexibility over risk and reward targets. The EA additionally includes a trailing stop parameter, maximum spread filter, and a dynamic price movement parameter that, according to the developer, determines when sufficient price movement has accumulated before a trade is opened. There is also a unique magic number setting which helps the EA identify and manage its own trades independently from other expert advisors or manually opened positions. Now, moving over to the historical backtest results, this is where we can review the EA's historical testing performance and evaluate how it behaved under past market conditions. When assessing any automated strategy, I always prefer reviewing longer testing periods because they generally provide a broader and more reliable perspective than shorter test samples. All right, so looking at the provided report here, I can see that GBPUSD 1 hour are the symbol and periods in which the Net89 EA was tested on, the $1,000 initial deposit, and the total net profit was over $40.9 million. Total trades taken 1,804, out of which 1,466 were profitable, giving us an 81.26% win rate. Largest profit here was 35,087.81 dollars. Largest loss 36,000. Sorry, 362,000. I think I made a mistake here. The largest profit was 350,871. 350,871.81, and then the largest loss here 362,031. All right, 0.54. And here the average profit 51,325.73. Largest loss 101,588.63. So the average risk to reward ratio is bad. It's actually bad. And let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA, the Net89 EA, performed on GBPUSD on the H1 time frame using the every tick model over the past 3 months in 2026. So from here, I can see that initial deposit is $10,000. Total net profit 12,820.79. The total trades taken were 56, out of which 54 were profitable, giving us a 96.43% win rate. The largest profit was 1,462.89, and the largest loss was 2,019.95. Average profit 308.88, and the average loss was 1,929.43, giving us a bad risk to reward ratio. Okay, so excellent win rate, but bad risk to reward ratio. Let's go turn on the visual so we can see the EA in action. So as I look through the chart history, we can observe how the EA entered and exited trades using its predefined stop loss and take profit structure. Based on the information provided by the developer, trade entries are linked to accumulated price movement conditions, while trade management is handled through the configured risk parameters and trailing stop functionality. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual results can vary depending on lot size, selection, risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization choices made by the user. Overall, the Net89 EA for MT4 presents a straightforward automated trading approach with configurable risk controls, predefined trade management parameters, and a recommended setup centered around GBPUSD on the H1 timeframe. Before considering live deployment, it's always worth conducting your own testing and optimization to determine whether the system aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.